Hello, it's Mr. Van Dong here with week 7, day 4 distance learning, and we are in the chapter 12 review. So you can turn to page 980, and just like usual, you're going to be focused on these two pages here. And then after that, if you finish those, go ahead and do the, not like that part, should already be done. The vocab check, and then the reflect part too, as well as anything else in the book from this chapter that you haven't done that you feel like you want some more help on, you want some more practice on. I told you before that you would need your protractors, and is a lie. You don't have to have a protractor to be successful on tomorrow's test because it's just sort of like a nice to know thing with a protractor. So after, don't forget, I'll remind you again tomorrow, but this protractor needs to be turned in with this week's packet. So you're gonna turn this into your manila envelope and return it to the school on Monday when you pick up next week's packet, okay? Just like usual, I'm gonna read you the questions for tomorrow's test, or not the questions, I'm gonna read you the directions so you know exactly what's expected of you. It's one of the shorter tests. The year is only 6 problems, okay? So we're ending with 6 problems. Chapter 12 test. The front page has 3 problems on it, and it says, classify each figure, giving it the most specific name you can. If you need to go back and watch the videos about classifying polygons and that sort of thing, then do that. But and that's what the first 4 problems in the review are about that as well. So make sure that you're classifying the most specific name that each shape has. Okay, and then on the back page, it's all volume. So there's 3 problems on the back, and the directions are this: find the volume of the following figures, showing your work and putting your answers on the line provided. Okay, there's 2 problems for that. And then the last question says, read the question carefully, then solve, showing your work. So it's a word problem at the end. So 6 problems and volume, classifying shapes. So do the review today, and any previous unfinished assignments, if you've got the time to go back, if you're like, ooh, I don't know if I remember all of the classifying parallelograms or whatever, then go back and do those, or quadrilaterals. But yeah, be aware of that. So yeah, that's it. Work on that up to 45 minutes or until it's done, as well as your previous assignments, and then move on to your math choice or resource room packet, whatever it is that you do next. And I will talk to you tomorrow.